what should be subtracted from इतना to get इतना. Okay, 26 49 49 by 40 49 by 40 माइनस 28 by 40 1 तो 21 by 40 21 by 40 21 by 40 माइनस ये नहीं आएगा, माइनस 6/40 15/40 नहीं आएगा, माइनस 19/40 2/40 नहीं आएगा, 6/20 यानी 12/40 9/1 सेकेंड इसको करेंगे तो इसको 20 करते 26 और ये 39 49 by 40 माइनस 28 by 40 ठीक है, यहाँ जाएगा तो 21 by 40 ठीक है, माइनस x इज इक्वल टू 3/8 21 प्लस 15/40 40 36 40 4 9 10 सॉरी माइनस आएगा 6/40 3/20 के ओ 11 15 22 26 4 बढ़ रहा है 22 26 11 15 2 6 1 6 नहीं आएगा, ये भी नहीं आएगा 15 11 15 17 15 17 11 33 या फिर 15 7 21 7 28 बी the sum of two numbers is 80 and their product is इतना what will be the sum of their reciprocals. Sum of two number 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to xy x plus y 80/1564 8 जाएगा 8 4 से जाएगा 4 विषम 4 3 12 4 9 36 1 20/391 Nalini is only daughter Kavita is married to Rohit. Rohit has a sister Neha. How is Neha related to Nalini? Neha is daughter's spouse and daughter's husband's niece, daughter's husband's sister. While examining a portrait, Marco said she is the mother of the only son of my wife. Only son of my wife यानी मेरा ही बेटा, और वो बीवी वो माँ है, मेरा बेटा की माँ है. How is related to husband? 40 आधा 8 5 13 आधा ये कितना आएगा 6 2 18 आधा. In the forwards have been many different volleyball, golf, soccer, basketball, golf, volleyball, B hips, B ant hills. Ant hills कहते क्या? termites, locust ants. 19 15 87 128 175 1950 87 128 175 गैप कितना आएगा 31 27 4 45 16 में से 12 गया था 4 15 में से 8 गया था 7 यह घट गया यहाँ बड़ा बड़ा कितने गया 80 breaks the pattern 27 बढ़ा है 41 बढ़ा है 47 बढ़ा है ठीक है रिप्लेस AGU GUV UVT VTW TW आंसर तो TW आएगा तीन बढ़ा गया -2 1 6 7 AU VW the position of command change arranged in the reverse alphabetical order TMP A P A M P L I N G temp P L I N G 1 2 3 each of the letters in the order lantern is arranged in alphabetical. How many letters are there in the organization between the letter that is third from the right? L A N T E R N third from the right. Sixth from the left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 बिटवीन बोलना चाहिए था 15 16 17 3 GHUT 7 3 10 3 13 3 16 3 19 S 8 3 11 3 14 3 17 3 20 21 में से 3 गए तो 18 में से 3 गए तो 15 में से 12 12 में से 3 गए तो 9 Acetylene creed bus frequency on 2 overcrowded corridors and introduced a single smart parcel usable on buses and metro. After the changes, average waiting time for buses on those corridors and transfer to metro increased. Air quality reading near those corridors improved, but the report states that the improvement was no more than 6% compared to the previous quarter. The air quality improvement near those corridors was less than 6%, no more than Integrated passes and bus frequency can increase bus to metro transfers. The smart pass is the only region for the 3 gear 149 149 16 25 2 3 5 7 11 13 Mohit says the boy in the blue is only son of my father's only son. मेरे पिताजी का only बेटा मेरा बेटा. The to मोहित. 7 स्क्वायर 7 चौके 28 5 5 10 5 स्क्वायर माइनस 49 माइनस 16 9 81 माइनस 1 80 डी अपोजिट 15 12 27 एम अपोजिट एन के पी एन पी in a row of student. Gaurav is 22 from the left and 21 from the. How many more students should be added to make the total 51? This is 50 53 में से गया 52 in a certain way. Just do your best on it. 4 2 4 4 2 2 just do it which is the 3 2 2 3 2 2 3 3 6 4 4 8 और 6 लुकास मिलर अपार्टमेंट इतना एग्जैक्ट डुप्लीकेट बोला 18B. सबसे पहले ऑस्ट्रेलिया 4 ऑस्ट्रेलिया है. VIC 3000 VIC 3000 सही है. लुकास मिलर है मिलेट है यहाँ पे. लुकास मिलर अपार्टमेंट 18B सही है. अपार्टमेंट पाम कोट रेसिडेंसेस 1025 कॉलिन स्ट्रीट 1025 कॉलिन स्ट्रीट नियर फेडरेशन स्क्वायर स्ट्रीट गलत है. नियर फेडरेशन स्क्वायर मेलबोर्न ये भी मेलबोर्न. VIC 3000 ऑस्ट्रेलिया कहाँ गलत हो गया यार. लुकास मिलर सही है. अपार्टमेंट 18B PLM पाम कोट रेसिडेंसेस 1025 कॉलिन्स स्ट्रीट नियर फेडरेशन स्क्वायर सब तो सही लग रहा है यार. ओ यू नहीं है देखो ऑप्शन नहीं है. 1 मिनट है अभी तुम्हारे पास. Which of the following actions shows the best judgment when you act accidentally email an internal slides deck with confidential. Send another email, notify your reporting manager and compliance immediately. लंबाड़ी coin ball wheel banana papaya carrot orange 8 45 2 9 27 2 6 2 12 2 14 हो गया 24 9 नंबर. यहाँ पर कितना आएगा 31 37 देखो यहीं पे गलती था. 19 50 87 128 175 31 37 1 4 41 16 4 7 ठीक तो है यार. 31 कहीं ना कहीं मिस्टेक हो गया. 31 37 43 175 नेक्स्ट प्राइम आएगा. चलो अरे बाप. What is the primary target of the National Clean Air Program regarding PM 10.20% reduction इतना from 2020 level 30%. नहीं. Consider the following statements regarding the implementation of the multi-lane free flow tolling system in India. The first comprehensive multi-tolling in India is being implemented at the Gujarat. The arrangement for this system was signed between Indian Highways and ICICI Bank. दोनों फैक्ट बता रहा है, लगाओ इस पे. The ambitious southward expansion of Imperial has decisively halted publication द्वितीय. According to the international regulations set by the Badminton World Federation, which of the following is not a requirement for a standard feathered shuttlecock? The shuttlecock must have exactly इतना feathers, इतना must not बोला है तो ये होना चाहिए. Must have a uniform length, इतना ठीक है. Must be sourced exclusively from, not a requirement, ये requirement नहीं होना चाहिए. The weight of the shuttlecock must range between, सही है. The feather must be sourced exclusively from the right wing of the, ये नहीं होगा. Which of the following famous temples in South India is not currently inscribed? Brihadeshwara, Virupaksha, Meenakshi Amman, Airavata temple. Brihadeshwar. The procedure for the amendment of the constitution as well as part 18. Who led the Sikh Khalsa army against the British forces? First Anglo-Sikh war. The following questions consist of two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other as region. Immunoglobulin M is the very first antibody produced by the immune system when it encounters a new pathogen for the first time. Appears at the earliest sign of infection, and its presence in a blood test usually indicates a recent or current infection rather than a past one. In the context of Indian geography, which of the following river is not considered as antecedent river? Indus, Satluj, Brahmaputra, Ganga. Rohit Sharma became the best Indian to reach 20,000 international, achieving the milestone in the third ODI again. What is the commercial name of the Indian navigation? Navik. On September 14, 2015, the LIGO Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory facilities in the US detected the first ever signal named GW. The signal was produced by the collision of the two black holes. Consider the following statements about the 1991 economic reforms. LPG model liberalization refers to the reducing government restriction on industries such as abolishing industrial licensing for most sectors. सही है. Privatization involved disinvestment of PSUs and allowing private companies to enter sectors like telecommunication and civil aviation. सही है. Globalization aims to integrate India with the world economy by promoting foreign direct investment. ये तीनों सही है. विच एक्ट अलॉटेड 1 लाख रुपये 1813? Who wrote the novel The Serpent and the Rope? Which state scheme provides direct financial assistance to girls students studying Ithna to help them continue their and reduce? नमो लक्ष्मी योजना, सुकन्या समृद्धि, पीएम पोषण निगम। नमो लक्ष्मी योजना हो सकता है बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ। इंडिया साइंड ए मेजर ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट कॉल्ड CEPA in 2022 giving zero duty access to 90% of Indian exports. Which country did sign it with? Comprehensive Trade Economy UAE. Consider the following statements regarding the National Tansen Samman Award. The Tansen Samman was established by the Maharashtra government in honor to musical excellence. While Tansen was a vocalist, the award is not restricted to singers. It is given for long-term contributions to the Carnatic music vocal. In September 2025, India signed a strategic agreement to establish a satellite tracking and telemetry station in which of the following countries located near the strategic Diego Garcia base? Mauritius, Maldives, सेशल्स, डिगो गार्सिया के पास, लेकिन ये अफ्रीका की तरफ जाता है। Which of the following temples is primarily constructed using terracotta and is famous for its intricate low relief carving? Which of the following pairs of biosphere reserve and estate is primarily located in नौका मेघालय? सिमलीपाल उड़ीसा से। ये कोल्ड डिजर्ट। The commission was constituted by the government of India chaired by Madan Mohan Punchi. The commission strongly advocated for a fixed tenure of fire and that they should not be removed. Who has been appointed as the new secretary of the Ministry of Mines, Government of India in August 2025? Which landmark Supreme Court case ruled that the directive principle cannot override fundamental? Led to the first Constitutional Amendment Act. Champakam Dorai Rajan case. It was first organized in 1947-48 Dhanu Yatra है ना. With reference to the cultural heritage of Odisha, consider the following statements about the Dhanu Yatra. It was first organized in Ithna by local labourers class and residents of Varga to celebrate India's independence. It is officially recognized as the world's largest open air theatre by the Guinness mythological Lord Krishna. 11 क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही एग्जाम में भी बनता है। 11 ही क्वेश्चन बन पाएगा। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी टारगेट ऑफ द नेशनल क्लीन एयर? 2019 लेवल से 20% कम करना, 2020 लेवल से 30%, 2017 पूरी। इसमें कहीं तुम रिस्क नहीं ले सकते हो। रहता है मरना नहीं है तो छोड़ देना। Consider the following statements regarding the implementation of multi-lane free flow tolling system in India. The first comprehensive multi-lane free flow tolling system in India is being implemented on NH48 in गुजरात। इसमें फैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा घुसा दिया है तो ये मुझे लग रहा गलत हो सकता है। करेक्ट पूछे हैं, नीदर 1 नॉट 2 के साथ जाना चाहेंगे। विच इज द फेमस temples in South India is not currently inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Brihadeshwar Virupaksha Temple, Meenakshi Amman Temple, Airavanteshwar Temple. Meenakshi who led the Sikh Khalsa army against the British forces during the Battle of Aliwal in the First Anglo-Sikh War? Lal Singh, Tej Singh, Ranjot Singh, Sher Singh, Atariwala. Immunoglobulin as the very first antibody produced by the immune system when it encounters a new pathogen. Rohit Sharma became the Dastoric 20,000 इंटरनेशनल तो सचिन कोहली तो हो गया है, संगाकारा भी होगा, रिकी पॉन्टिंग भी हो सकता है, जैक कैलिस 20,000 नहीं गया है, 3 मुझे लगा 5th या 6th होगा. On September, the LIGO facilities in USA detects the first show signal named signal produced by the collision of two black holes that merge into one alien moon in a fraction of a second. Then all the Serpent and the Rope, Mulk Rajanand, Amitabh Ghosh. नमो सुकन्या समृद्धि नहीं है क्या? UAE सऊदी अरेबिया के साथ किया था, ओमान ने कतर के साथ नहीं किया है. तानसेन सम्मान was established by the government of Maharashtra. तानसेन सम्मान तो MP होना चाहिए, मुझे याद तो नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन MP ही होना चाहिए. कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक तानसेन तो हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक से था. रिस्क ले रहे हैं. Burnt clay famous for its intricate low relief carvings. कोणार्क नहीं है, बृहदेश्वर, तंजावुर, विनेश्वर टेम्पल, महाबलीपुरम. कांता in a class 60% pass, 70 chemistry neither, or percentage of pass both. पचासी 15, इधर 40 हुआ है तो 25, इधर 30 हुआ है तो 15. द सब्जेक्ट 30, 25, 55, 45। अभी भी तो वही आएगा। 5 3 8 89 ये आएगा। 6 5 4 9 ये नहीं आएगा, ऑप्शन है। 9 से 9 फ्रॉम द रेडियस 9 40 41 ऑप्शन है। द एवरेज सैलरी पर इतना 2 एम्प्लॉयज लिविंग अर्निंग इतना न्यू सैलरी का रिमेनिंग एवरेज नॉट कितना है तो सम 40 न्यू का कितना आएगा 8 गुना 50 माइनस 45 माइनस 55 सम टोटल सम बराबर 6 में 400 के माइनस 9 300 बटा 6 50 के the ratio of the number of boys to girls इतना if the number of boys and girls in created by इतना and इतना and the new ratio 17 20 बॉयज़ को 25% बढ़ा देंगे। इसको 280 आएगा, पहली बात है 280 आएगा। गर्ल्स में इतना है, बॉयज़ में 5/4 नहीं आ रहा है। अच्छा ठीक है 85 ना 5/2 5 25 5 30 ठीक है 85 112 MB स्टार्टर ना प्रोसेस में थी ब्रिंग्स एन एडिशनल 10,000 रुपये एच शेयर 120 के प्लस ये 10,000 और दे देता है तो 30 गुना 6 30 के गुना 6 ये एक 30 के गुना 12 180 के 300 के 360 और 300 660 के गया 27500 एक 0 से 1 0 भी गया 11 छक 11 दुगने 11 5 6 से 50 125 210 210 33 210 57 ये कॉट 33 210 57 है ना 210 33 कॉट 33 10 1/10 स्क्वायर 33 माउंट स्ट्रीट में 3 साल ना मेमोरियल प्रिंसिपल 3 साल में पी का 1/5 1/5 इंटू 1/5 इक्वल टू 21600 125 203 125 छक 3 जीरो भी रहेगा लगभग ये तो आना ही है 125 मल्टीपल यानी लास्ट 3 डिजिट 125 चौके कट जाएगा ये 1000 में 12,500 20 मिनट कैन बिल्ड एट ना अक्टूबर के इम्पोर्टेंट है 15 मिनट जो है हमें मॉडल 20 गुना 30 और 20 गुना 10 किया प्लस 25 गुना x मोर डेज विल टेक टू फिनिश कितना है 400/35 5 7 5 8 12 7 84 6 13 5 7 11 इधर नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स 9 7 16 एक्स इंटरसेप्ट 10 tan थीटा p/b h आ जाएगा डिवाइडेड बाय कॉस करता हूँ h आ जाएगा 13 4 गुना p 5/13 प्लस 3 गुना 12/13 20 और 36 56/13 ABC 12 इतना हमें एलन AB 12 BC 15 20 60 5 4 3 5 4 9 3 12/2 6 में से 4 गया 2 30 on a 300 meter circulator the first runner buttons 12 times in 1 hour the slower runner जैसे ना the faster runners ना 0.8/300 9 1/3 गुना 3 13 1/3 गुना 13 नहीं तो 13 1/3 1/2, 1/3, 1/6, 1/6। गुना में है ना तो प्लस में आ जाएगा ना भाई। एक सेकंड प्रीवियस, ये गुना में है ना तो 1/3, 5/6। Every day a boy leaves his house at 9 and reaches his school at 1 after traveling 25% of his total distance between his house and village punctured. Reaches his school at इतना after his cycle was punctured, what was percentage decrease in his speed? 75% में उसको 45 मिनट लग गया। 75% घटा दिया ना। 3/4 घटा। Instead of with is surrounded outside a square person and the path 130 है। ये 5, ये 5, ये 5, ये भी 5 आ गया तो 140 स्क्वायर माइनस 130 स्क्वायर, 140 प्लस 130 गुना 10, 27। An angle is इतना of the supplementary angle. What is them? Of its supplementary x is equal to 11 both of its complementary। पूरक बोला है कि संपूरक बोला है ना तो भाई तो 190 9 गुना 11 3 और 3 6। ये देखो 3/3 1, 2/2 1, अरे 1 2 2 3 5/2। अपोजिट एंगल ना 180 डिग्री। 6x 4x प्लस 58, 180 डिग्री इधर गया 58, 60 माने 120, 122। अपोजिट एंगल तो सेम आएगा भाई। 4 40 10 ABC इन्वेस्टेड सी शेयर। भाई बहुत गलती कर दिया। No government needed to set things for around 5 million. The boy asked his father how old he was. The said to his father, how old are you? Antonym of expand, contract. Correctly spelled word weird. Vacuum. CHIEVA. Jealous. Jealous. Vacuum. Did you guard the office last night? Did you tell me the office was where never did you was the office guarded? Keen, Kushagra, Buddhi, eager. Sincerity, the homophone for cell. She walked over the room, across the room, without speaking to anyone. Around the room. We are requested to close all the doors of the house. Please close the. Please close. Go down the pen. Reach. Requested your check for me. Prevent productivity. Maximum scale. मेरे ड्राइवर आप what is necessary to address biodiversity loss from climate change? What is the meaning of the philanthropist or wealthy person who donates? Color philosophy, a person who holds the world. Pronouncement of the final judgment, filing of the case, and submission of pleadings, examination of evidence and arguments, interpretation of law and application of announcement of the final judgment. P लास्ट में आएगा final judgment. बता filing the case and submission of pleadings, examining the evidence and arguments by both sides, interpretation of law and application of the facts of the case. फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केस पहले आएगा कि पहले एग्जामिन करेगा? पहले एग्जामिन आएगा, उसके बाद फैक्ट आएगा. ठीक है. फाइलिंग द केस एंड सबमिशन ऑफ प्लीडिंग्स क्यू से स्टार्ट होगा. The process of photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. This energy is used to convert this energy. उससे पहले कोई एनर्जी का बात हो चुका होगा. This energy is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into green plants absorb sunlight through the chlorophyll present in their leaves. Oxygen is released as a byproduct of this chemical reaction. This chemical reaction stored chemical energy supports plant growth and metabolism. Photosynthesis. ठीक है. Process of photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. Absorb Q. Absorbs sunlight through the chlorophyll present in the leaves. Oxygen is released as a byproduct of this chemical reaction. The stored chemical to oxygen is released. Metabolism. P के देखो पी जाएगा एस के बाद आएगा. पी एस के बाद आएगा. ये तो पहले ही खत्म हो गया. और प्लीएबल Please, stone stiff. The soil homonym rich. In the garden is rich in nutrients. The linear lived rich lifestyle. This land is rich with enormous. The land is currently the council has not discussed about anything. Neither Kia nor he have nor he has someone who is wrongly blamed for things that others have done. Misnomer. Wrongly blamed for Bakara. This being that is correct for a common natural event. Torah, no number. For the primary driver of climate change. Mentioned. Primary driver बोल रहा है ना. Naturally burning fossil fuels, natural soil variation. ठीक है. Primary driver of. How does climate affect coral reefs? What are tropical forests experiencing due to climate change? What role do indigenous communities play in biodiversity conservation necessary to address biodiversity loss? Climate change such as the driven primarily by human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation is profoundly altering Earth's ecosystem. Rising global temperature disrupt weathering patterns, leading to more frequent extreme events like droughts, floods, and heat waves. These changes threaten biodiversity and a variety of life forms that sustain ecological balance. Species unable to adapt or affect coral reef. It enhances their growth, it stabilizes weather patterns, it reduces marine dependency, it causes bleaching due to warmer ocean. ऐसे भी डायरेक्ट बना सकते हो. ये सिर्फ जनरल नॉलेज वाला क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. व्हाट आर ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसिंग ड्यू टू क्लाइमेट चेंज? इंक्रीज रेनफॉल, कंसिस्टेंट शिफ्ट्स इन रेनफॉल कॉजिंग हैबिटेट फ्रेगमेंटेशन, डिक्लाइन इन इन्वेजिव स्पीसीज, एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड. ये आना चाहिए, देख लेंगे. ठीक है. शिफ्ट्स इन रेनफॉल कॉजिंग हैबिटेट फ्रेगमेंटेशन. What do rural indigenous? They advocate for traditional knowledge and strategies. They oppose protected areas. They promote deforestation. They ignore ecosystem service. They advocate for traditional knowledge and strategy. What is necessary to address biodiversity loss from climate change? Global cooperation and policy reforms. Ignoring greenhouse gas emission. Elimination of technological increasing extreme weather. Ignoring greenhouse gas emissions. Global cooperation and policy reforms. She walked away. She walked across the room. Long weapon. छोड़ दो इसको. 145 नंबर इसमें भी आ गया. So 45 marks total score. पेपर का लेवल मॉडरेट, इजी मॉडरेट, इजी मॉडरेट. परसेंटाइल चेक कर लेते हैं पर तो ज़्यादा आसान जाएगा. परसेंटाइल चेक कर लेते हैं तो ठीक रहेगा. सॉल्यूशन परसेंटाइल कम है 75 पॉइंट इतना, मतलब 30,000 बच्चों में से 7,400 रैंक. रॉन्ग जीके में ए, रीजनिंग में 1, जीएस में 5 रॉन्ग हो गया. मैथ में भी 2 रॉन्ग, इंग्लिश में भी 2 रॉन्ग. ठीक है, एनालिसिस अब करते हैं।